Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how crucial it is to keep your assets secure. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer Tether, USDT, from Bitrue, a popular exchange, to your Trezor hardware wallet. This step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Bitrue account with some USDT in it, your Trezor device fully configured and connected to your computer, and a reliable internet connection. Oh, and always double-check your wallet addresses to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto waits for no one. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Assets, section and find your USDT balance. Now, click on Withdraw next to USDT. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Get your Trezor wallet address ready. Plug in your Trezor device, open the Trezor Suite app, and navigate to the USDT wallet. Copy the receiving address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Pro tip. Always verify this address on your Trezor screen to ensure it's correct. Step 3. Back on Bitrue, paste that Trezor address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those first. Select the network, like Tron or Ethereum, depending on your Trezor setup. Then, hit Confirm, and you'll get a verification code via email or SMS. Step 4. Enter the code to finalize the withdrawal. Sit back and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Trezor wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Tether to a more secure hardware wallet. In 2025, with all the new tech out there, staying vigilant is key. Always use hardware wallets for long-term storage. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.